Hello! Today we're making slime, like I promised. Yeah. Because I ain't gonna just say I'm gonna do something and don't. That's just like not me. So, give me 1 second. Hey, and let's go! I have my materials bowl. Big bottle, of course. I've already used striping cream. And of course, the last ingredient, most important, activator. Because I've already used a lot of this, so I have another bottle, don't worry. So we're just gonna get started. Give me a second, let me set up. Now I'm gonna do some shaving cream. Make this fluffy. So I just forgot, what do I mix it with? 1 second, people. I'm just gonna use this old pencil because that's what I usually do. So use like old pencils, colored pencils. Y'all might hate me for using it, but it's what I have, okay? I can't use anything else. I know the glue will probably stick to it, but gotta do what you gotta do. Your only view right now. It's coming together very quickly. Gotta be careful it doesn't get on my clothes because I'm doing this on my dresser. I am kind of sick. I don't know if I'm actually sick though. Kind of. Not really. I just have a runny. Dang it, that scared me. But anyways, I just have a runny nose. As you can see, sometimes it gets stuffy. But hold on. I have a lot of slime, as I showed you in my other video. I have like another one. I'm like the slime queen. Better not get this on my hoodie or I'm gonna get mad. Alright. Well, I'll see you in a minute, Bessie. Bye. I turned it into this grayish blue color. Love you, Bessie. See you in the next one. Okay? See you in the next video, part 2.